What are you eating? Mmm, Fruit Loops. What's your name?
Jack.
How old are you?
Pete.
Nice. What's your daddy's name?
Mike.
What's your mommy's name?
Tommy.
What's your doggy's name?
Bucky.
What's your kitty's name?
Eagles.
Mm-hmm. Where do you live?
Oaks.
Thousand Oaks. That's right. What's your Nana's name?
Nana.
What's your papa's name?
Bob.
I love you.
Love you.
You fart knocker.
Friend.
Mwah! Fruit Loops. I love you. Say,